Hello everyone, it's me, Mommy Chrissy. Welcome to another video. So for today, we will do an unboxing and review video of this Deerma Dx810 vacuum cleaner. And I'm very excited to open this with you guys. So, tara, let's start! So, let's open this now, guys. So, pagka-open natin ng box, ito yung laman niya. Yan. So, we have here the manual. Tapos, may dalawang extra ilalagay sa dulo. Ang ganda ng color niya, guys. It's parang midnight. This midnight blue. Pero ang ganda ng pagka-blue niya. Ganda ng color niya, guys. So, ito yung handle niya. So, ito yung sa floor. So, sa mga mahilig sa color blue, no, pwedeng itong kolektahin. They also have other models na ganitong color. So, yun. Mamaya pala, before this video ends, I will be sharing a good news sa inyo para magkaroon din kayo nitong Deerma vacuum cleaner. So, let's start to assemble this one para makagawa din tayo ng review for this product. Start natin siyang i-assemble, guys. So, lulusot lang natin to dito. So, very easy niya i-assemble, no? Lang kahirap-hirap. So, yun guys, na-assemble na natin ating Deerma Dx810 vacuum cleaner. So, itong dalawa nakasama sa box. Pwede natin siyang gamitin pag tawag dito sa sofa or sa mga hard to reach areas ng bahay. Ito gagamitin natin itong may brush. So, tatanggalin lang natin itong floor brush. Pwede siya gamitin sa sofa. Same with this one. Medyo brush siya. So, yeah. So, yun guys. Tapos na tayo sa unboxing part nitong Deerma Dx810 vacuum cleaner. And before we put this on a try, no, I'll just tell you some of the features of this vacuum cleaner. First, nagustuhan ko talaga yung color niya. No? It's very fashionable and it's very beautiful, no? Kasi ang ganda ng pagka-blue niya. Yeah. And also, it's very lightweight. So, hindi tayo hirap na gamitin siya or buhatin habang naglilinis. So, this vacuum has a strong suction power. Mabilis siyang makakuha and makahigop ng mga dust, dirt sa floor. Ako, problema kasi talaga hair fall. So, perfect to kasi hindi na ako mahirapan ng walis-walis. So, gamitin ko na lang tong vacuum. Saves time na din, no? Which is very important sa ating mga mommies. This vacuum is not only for floors. Pwede natin siyang gamitin sa carpet, sa bed, sa sofa, and sa kisame pagtanggal ng mga agyo, ganun. So, marami siyang purpose. And compared to other brands na medyo pricey, Deerma, aside from its very cheap price, no, maganda yung quality niya. It's high quality and maganda yung suction power niya and low noise din siya, no. And alam nyo ba guys that Deerma ranked #1 in Shopee for 12 consecutive months in vacuum category, and it is being sold in more than 100 countries around the world. So those are some of the features of Deerma Dx810 vacuum cleaner. And ito na nga, share ko na sa inyo yung good news bago natin to i-try. No? So guys, this October 10, please mark your calendars because Deerma will be having their sale, and including this model, Deerma Dx810, it will be on sale from its original price of 2,299, magiging 1,945 na lang siya. That's from midnight, 12 midnight until 8:59 a.m. only. So guys, it's a great opportunity for you to have this vacuum. So, set your alarms. Pwede nyo na siyang i-add to cart now. And check out nyo mula 12 midnight hanggang 8:59 a.m. on October 10. Guys. So, to help you guys decide whether to buy this Deerma Dx810 vacuum cleaner, we will try this now and tignan natin yung sinasabi ko kanina na suction power niya and kung talaga ba nakakahigop siya ng dust and dirt sa ating bahay. So, ngayon, itatry na natin tong Deerma Dx810 vacuum cleaner. Sakto madumi yung carpet namin ngayon. So, let's put this to test. And first, syempre, kailangan natin isaksak yung power cord ng outlet. And no need na iba-iba ng saksakan kasi mahaba yung cord niya. Let's start using this one. So, yun guys, tapos na natin linisan yung carpet ko. So, kita nyo yung dumi na nakuha ng vacuum. Grabe, no? Tapos, doon naglalaro yung anak ko sa carpet. Tapos, ganito ka dumi yung carpet. So, dapat talaga regular siya na binavacuum. Saka, kita nyo rin kanina, no? Silent. Hindi siya ganun kalakas yung tunog ng vacuum. At saka, strong yung suction niya. Mabilis siya makakuha ng mga dirt. So, ganito lang yung pagtanggal ng dust container. Ipipress nyo to nasa baba ito. Lain mo siya. Yung dust na nakuha ng itong vacuum na to, yun o, grabe yung dumi. Tapos, ito yung sa filter. Make sure na grabe yung dumi. Yan, di ba? Yun. So, make sure lang na bago nyo liquid yung vacuum, malinis, tapon nyo yun nandito sa dust container. And, linisan nyo maigi tong filter. Washable naman tong foam. So, pag tinanggal nyo siya, ilinisan nyo din yung filter sa loob. Tapos, pagbalik naman ito, so after nyo na siya malinisan, pagbalik, ito, yung hook, dito, ilalagay nyo lang. Ayan. Tapos, linan nyo. May marinig kayong pag-click. Ayan. So, okay na siya. Very efficient na and mas madali na maglinis paggamit tong Deerma Dx810 vacuum cleaner. So yun guys, that ends my unboxing and video review of Deerma Dx810 vacuum cleaner. I will be putting the Shopee link of Deerma sa description box. And also, follow them on Instagram, Facebook, and their official Shopee account. And sabi ko na, please take advantage of their sale on October 10. So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. And Please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa next video ko. Yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!